Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Guide. Locating local businesses and finding certain locations important to you can be difficult, which is why Google Maps, an online tool made by Google, is possibly the most helpful online tool yet. Whether you may be locating local businesses, finding locations, or even wanting to make money, Google Maps is there to help you out. To know how to make hundreds of dollars a day using this technique, stick around for our topic for the day, how to make $100 per day with Google Maps. It's a simple process, and indeed very lucrative. So you'll want to stay till the end and not miss a single step in order to earn a lot of money every day through Google Maps. Number 10, download Google Chrome. The first thing that you're going to have to do is download and install Google Chrome, a highly reliable and efficient browser for your needs. Many people use it, and it's very secure. In case you're already using an internet browser such as Explorer, Safari, or anything else, it's recommended you switch over to Google Chrome. This is so it's easier to use Google services. You can also download extension with Google Chrome, and most of them are free to install. Download it for free now to begin this money-making technique. Number 9, go to Google Maps. A great tool to be using when searching for different locations worldwide is Google Maps. Its uses are too many to count. You could search for local businesses, or just simply want to get directions to some location. This is an online-based app by Google, so it runs best on Google Chrome. You're going to be using Google Maps today to make some money, and the technique is simple. When you open Google Chrome, just go to Google. Then, you will search Google Maps and click on the first result. Once in Google Maps, search for your current location. This can be done anywhere in the world. Search your location and zoom in. This will be your prime location to search for potential businesses. Searching around your current location will locate local businesses, through which you will easily earn profits. Number 8, optimize their Google My Business listing. Whenever you search for a shop on Google, a My Business listing will appear to show you your results on that search. This is a major impression for people. Your business would have to be on the top of that list in order to get people to pick you, and many businesses lose out on potential customers because of being too low on the list. That's where you can help. You can help to get better ratings and fill out their information to get them to the top of the page. Both parties would be happy. You would get a solid profit, and they would also earn through your hard work. Number 7, find a service-based business. To find a service-based business on Google Maps is simple. On the top left of the page is the search bar, where you can manually search for a service-based business. This can include dentists, plumbers, doctors, any business that will have services for people. Say, for example, you search for dentist. Type in dentist, and then the city you live in. Google Maps will show you a bunch of red dots around the map. These are your search results. So if you search dentist, then these will be all the results for your local dentist clinic. The reason you are searching locally is because businesses tend to trust local services more than others, and by doing so, you will get better chances at finding businesses that want to work with you and pay you. So, click on one of these businesses. There will be an information tab that shows up. You are looking for the ones that say, claim this business. Make a list of all the local businesses that say that. Those will be your opportunities to earn a lot of money. Number 6, Google the service-based businesses. Google will be used for this technique as well. First, go to the list of businesses that nobody has claimed on Google, and Google search their service. If you found a local dentist shop, then Google search dentist and your city name. A list of local dentists will appear. Look through the list. Do you see your pics on it? If the business is not claimed, it will most likely not be on the top of the list. Find out how low they are, and use that to determine which businesses you want to help. Basically, you'll be helping these businesses bring their name up higher in the list. This will assist the business in getting more people and traffic to all their websites. You are definitely helping them out, but you're also making a cool profit through it. Number 5, go to Fiverr. Fiverr offers many services, such as data entry, website auditing, birthday greeting videos, and many more. These services are highly useful to both clients and freelancers. You can find just about anything you need on Fiverr, and it's usually quite affordable. It works like this. Freelancers set up gigs and put them into categories related to services and/or skills. You can look through these categories for a job you need done, and if you need something specific or just can't find the right job, you as a buyer can set up a special buyer request where you put up job postings and freelancers will bid for the job. You can tell them your budget and how quick you want it done, and they will give you their best estimates of cost and delivery time. With that said, you can use Fiverr for this new job you have been preparing for. Let's say you aren't sure how to run ads or fix websites. That's where Fiverr can help you find someone to hire and help you with the task. You could hire multiple freelancers or just hire one. If you choose to hire multiple, you can hire one to run ads, one to fix their website, and one to add citations. But it may be best just to hire one for all of these jobs you need done. That's why you should consider hiring a freelancer that can optimize Google My Business listings. With that, you can just pay once and have the work done. Either way you choose, make sure you charge your businesses accordingly. If Fiverr freelancers are charging you $30, then you could keep your price at $200, so you'll still have a profit of $170. Make sure you charge properly. You can start off charging only a little bit, and the more businesses you take on, the higher you can charge. Number 4, update their website. If you ever come across a business website that is buggy or confusing to look through, expect the same reaction from other customers and visitors to that site. First impressions to a website is a big deciding factor as to whether people will trust it or not. Also, one would need more than just a Facebook page if they want to properly run a business, and so you could help them with this by updating these companies' websites. This will drive more customers to their businesses and get you more profit for doing a reliable job. Number 3, run their ads. For any company, ads are highly valued. Ads may determine a company's traffic to their websites and even to their physical shops. When helping a business in this way, you should be aware that a business relies on you to run their ads. There will be plenty of traffic on various social media sites, and therefore will be a prime place to run ads. You can market their service by posting scheduled posts and paying small fees to advertise certain posts. The business would really benefit from this and get more customers, as would you benefit through your earnings. Number 2, add citations. Citations have proven very important for businesses to obtain traffic. So, adding the business's listing to sites like Yelp and White Pages would be called adding citations. This is what these companies want. As a person who holds the power of their potential earnings, you could charge them to add citations to these websites. You could add their business hours, location address, phone number, and other information to make sure people know all about them and can find them without any problem. Number 1, reach out to the business. Next, you need to reach out to these businesses. This is a step that must be completed before you get offered any work. Contacting them is vital to the job. When reaching out, you want to sound professional, yet friendly, so they will be more open to hiring you. There are a couple ways to reach out to the business. The main way to do this is through the phone. If you look at their information on Google Maps, there should be a phone number listed. If it's not there, you can check their website or their Facebook page if they have one. In case you may not be comfortable with contacting through the phone, here are a couple more options. You can visit their website and scroll to the very bottom of their page. You should be able to find a Contact Us button. Click on that. You will then be led to a page where you can input your email and your message, which should do fine. However, a phone call is considered more reliable. Next option is directly emailing them. Go to their Google Maps information and find their email address. If you cannot find it there, check their website or their Facebook page if they have one. The email should be formed like this. Go to Google and search their service. So, if they are a dentist, search for dentist in your city. Then, take a screenshot of their place on the list. You can take a screenshot with either print screen or snipping tool. Edit the photo to show that they are low down on the list. Adding a red circle around their business name on the list will be helpful, or maybe an arrow. This is to highlight their business rank position, and then lead into how you can help them. Now, you will want your email to really sell. Tell them who you are and that you can help their business raise their ranking by optimizing their My Business listing on Google. They should know that you can help them and that you know they need more traffic. So, when you write to them, the way you put your words together should be the same as if you were communicating on the phone. Reaching out in any of these ways will help you get this job. You should go ahead and reach out to multiple companies in any one of these ways to increase your potential to earn more by working for more businesses. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!